G'day, it's Colin from Worth, and what I've got here is the Worth eye wash station. Comes as a wall unit with the products inside. So let's have a look at the products. The first one I've got here is the larger bottle with the green lid. Now this is to wash out any dirt or foreign bodies that get into the eye. The second bottle with the blue lid, this is a product that neutralises any acids or alkalines that you get into your eye. So how you would use these products is if you've got an acid or an alkaline in your eye, you would use the bottle to wash your eye and you'd use the whole bottle. Then you would rinse the bottle with the green lidded product to rinse the eye out. And don't forget, always see a doctor. If you just get dust or dirt or particles in your eyes, you only need to use the green lidded bottle. Now you use that up against your eye and flush it out using the entire bottle. So the eye wash station is sold complete with the wall unit and the 2 bottles of product. Once you've used the bottles and you need to replace them, they're available independently. Also, the kit comes with this chart which explains when you put an acid, an alkaline or dirt in your eyes, what you need to do. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.